Hey guys, it's Leisha, and today we're going to be doing a DIY to make your own body lava. I've been doing a bit of a minimalizing of my life, trying to declutter. I've been very guilty of being one of those people that thinks that every inch of your house needs to be covered, like every piece of wall needs to have something on it. My husband and I have been doing a huge decluttering, destashing, and makeup is one of those things that is next on the list. I have so much, and it just feels like a lot of things that are coming out are things that already exist, or I just don't need them. I get so stuck in that, you know, limited edition, feeling like you need it, when really, you don't. You really don't. One of the things that's come out recently from Fenty Beauty is called Body Lava Body Luminizer. And what this is basically a liquid that you apply to your body and it will add shimmer and sheen. I bought a lot of stuff from Fenty in the past. I bought all of their Galaxy collection, which was really expensive. I bought their foundation, I bought highlighter, contour sticks. I bought a bunch of stuff when they first launched as well. I spent a lot of money and only use these things kind of sometimes, maybe. So guilty of that, and I'm so tired of it. So seeing something like this makes me feel a certain way. This is $60 for a 3-ounce container of shimmery liquid. Shimmery cream. That's $20 an ounce. So a shot of this costs you 20 bucks. And I just can't get on board with it. So I'm gonna show you how to literally make your own body lava, body luminizer with things that I can almost guarantee you already have in your casa. Let's do it. So the first thing you're gonna do is go through all of your shit. You're gonna find a really pretty pigment. This is an OCC one called Twirl. OCC recently just disappeared off the face of the earth. I don't know, I don't feel good about that. This is Zoella Double Cream Body Cream. This is literally the first thing that I found. Going to take some. I have this pretty like shimmery beigey color. This would work better not in my hand actually. Doesn't work. Put it in this little container and then put some of this pigment. We're gonna do a little Daniel Tiger if you have children. Mixa, mixa, mixa. Mixa, mixa, mixa. And oh my gosh, would you look at that. Just a little bit of mixing. This looks exactly the same. And this cost me nothing. I mean, it's subtle, obviously, but hey, it dried down. I can't feel it, and if I want to add more, all I gotta do is take that pigment that literally was wasting away in the corner, dust it on some places. It's gonna stick to the lotion that's already there. You could also do that, just apply a lotion and then take whatever highlighter that you like, a big brush, and there you go. I know I sound like I'm hating on Rihanna, and it has nothing to do with that. I get frustrated when brands put out things like this where they hype it up and they act like it's so amazing, and it's just something that you can do on your own so easily. So some of you may think this video is kind of pointless, maybe it is, but this is just something that's so easy, and I just want you all to kind of think before you buy. That's where my mindset is lately. That's how I'm feeling, is I'm over this craziness of the beauty community of PR, pushing all of these things, buy, and then you forget about it in a month. And I'm just so over all of it. So that's how you can make body lava on your own. Feel free to try different colors, different shimmers, all sorts of stuff. My name is Leisha. I have no eye makeup on. That's okay. I love you guys. I'll see you later.